Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make money through playing games. You understand me? Like we are going to make money playing games. Have you ever heard this kind of things? Just playing games and you make money. So today we have a lot of problems in our lives. Like we need money to buy clothes, we need money to buy phones, we need money to take care of ourselves, we need money, like see this air now, we need money to barb hair, we need money to buy things. And if you have like uh bills to pay, you have our school fees to pay if you are the one paying your school fees. So you need money to pay your school fees and you need money to do a lot of things. So the list is so long. There's no end to the list of the things that you need money to do it. So there are a lot of ways to make money online. There are a lot of ways to do it. But today I would like to teach you a specific way to make money. It's not a big amount of money that you are going to make, but it is worth it. So you just need to put a small amount of money, and if you are wise enough to know how to play the game, you come out with a lot of money. So you can play the game many times in the day and you can make a lot of money at the end of the day. So everything depends on you, everything depends on how consistent you are with the game. I think that's it. So let's just jump in the video and let's how it goes. Yeah. So today I'm going to, like I told you before, I'm going to show you how to make money playing games. So what we are going to do now is to look for 1xBet Niger in the phone. So if you have not installed it yet, go to Play Store. If you are using an Android phone, you just need to go to Play Store, and once you are in Play Store, just type 1xBet mobile app, and then you have a lot of options there, and you can choose the good one. Let me try another option, 1xBet NG. Okay, and then I think this is the right one. Oh, let me see. Okay, I think it's better to send it, so I'll just leave the link of the app in the description so that you can download it, or it's better to go on Google. Oh, I'm sorry for delaying. Okay, so you come over to this place and you type 1x bet ng, download. Okay, oh, 1xbet 1xbet download, and then you will see something like 1xbet. Okay, I'll just, yes, this is the app. So you can click on this, and then it will download the file for you. Okay, so you can install it whenever you want. So it's better to do it on Google than doing it on Play Store, because I think it's not it's no longer available on Play Store. You cannot download it on Play Store, because when you type 1xbet on Play Store, it will show you other apps that looks like 1xbet, but they're actually not it. So the best way to do it is to come on Google and then download it. So that's what I did now. I downloaded it and then the app has finished downloading. So now it's showing me that I should install it, but since I already have the app in my phone, I don't need to download it again. So I just showed you how to do it for you to be able to do it yourself. But me, since I have it, I don't need. So I will press cancel and then I'll go back to OneXBet, the app. Okay, so this is the app, OneXBet. So it's loading. They said there's update available, but that's not what we need now. So I think I'll just try, I'll update it. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience because it's taking time. Okay, sorry. The app is updating now, so just wait for a while. So let's wait till 100%. So I'm in the app now, and these are the games that are available. And those of you that are familiar with the app, I'm sure you know what you are seeing here. You understand everything, so I don't need to go through it. You know it already. But what I want to show you is how to win, like to make money playing games. And without wasting time, let's go through it. So this is my account. The app has been updated, so things have changed. So we need to go through the games. This is OneXBet games, and these are the games. So this is, let me see, let me show you the particular game that I was talking about, Fruit Blast. This is the game that I used to play and make money every single day. So I'll show you how to play the game. Let me see if I have enough cash in my wallet in order for me to play. I have zero naira here, so I need to um, top up cash. So to do it, I need to come over to this place, my account, and then top up, I mean, and I'll click on pay with transfer, and then I need to top up 200 naira. I'll confirm. Okay, and then after confirming, I'll copy the account number, and I have to make sure to read the account, the bank account name. So it's Wema bank account. So I'll come over to my bank app. Where is my bank app? Click on I've sent the money. Okay, okay, so the money is already showing. So let me go to this place and then Fruit Blast, and this is the game actually. So for you to play the game, you need to first understand how it works. So click on this button at the top right. It's showing something like I. Click on it and you see how to play the game. So they said Fruit Blast, how to play it. So For one on the board, there are 25 containing 5 types of fruit and a bonus symbol. So you have to place a bet, and the initial stake is determined before the start of a game. So the maximum stake is 69,335.01. So the maximum amount that you can stake is 69,000 up. So the minimum is 100 naira. So you cannot like stake less than 100 naira. So how to play the game? The game depends on odds, and the odds is like related to the fruit that you are going to blast. So we have blueberries, we have cherries, we have grapes, you have lemons, and you have strawberries. Strawberries are 8 odds, lemons 5 odds, grapes 3 odds, cherries 1 odd, and blueberries 0.2 odd. So if you can blast 8 strawberries, you make more money than if you blast 0.2. So your goal is to aim more for strawberries and lemons in the game. So at the end of the game, you'll be awarded winnings according to the odds, so which are calculated based on the number and type of fruit in the bars. So if there's no bar, like if no bar have been filled in entirely, your bet loses. So if you collect 7 bonus symbols, you will get one of the 4 bonuses in the games section. So double your stake if you win. So a refund if you bet, if you're like your bet loses, you'll be refunded. So a €1 free bet to use in this game, free spin on the lucky wheel, and everything. So these are the rules of the game. So before you play the game, make sure to come and read it and understand it well. So now, once you have read it and understood it, you need to start playing the game. So this is your wallet that has 200 naira, and then this is the amount that you can stake. Now this is the like the lowest amount that you can stake, and this is like the highest amount that you can stake. This is why it's showing superior and inferior. So now if you click on enter stake amount, you put the amount of money that you would like to stake and start playing the game. So I will stake 100 naira. Okay, so 100 naira, and then place bet. So my goal now is to aim for pineapples and lemons and everything, but I have my own way to play it. So let's play the bet and let's start playing the game. So I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. So your winnings, I won 20 naira. So I'll play again. So I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. So so now I won 20 naira. But you have to be optimist, like I told you before. You have to be optimist and keep playing the game every time in order to be able to make money. So I hope you enjoy the video and you know how to play it, so you'll be maybe a better player than me. So I'm just here to show you how to win, like to make money, and then the remaining is up to you to be able to do it. I cannot give you um everything. Is up to you to work and identify the ways to make money online. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I lost money, yeah, but it doesn't mean that you lose money every time when you play it. I like I top up 200 naira, and then I played the game and I won 20 naira. So I used 100 naira to play the game, but I won 200 naira. So I lost 80 naira. Okay, and then I used again another 100 naira to play and I lost. So the thing is, you need to be fast and you need to like click the fruits as fast as you can. Okay, so be fast enough to choose them, and then if that bar on the top right and top, I think top right, top middle and top left is showing, those bars are showing the fruits, like how how many fruits you have checked. So you need to be fast, and then at the end of the game they will multiply all those fruits per odds, and that's the winning, your winnings. So you need to be fast enough, and I was not fast enough, that's why I lost money. But it doesn't mean that you will not be fast enough like I was. So just try your best to be fast enough, and then you can make as much money as you can. Okay, so everything depends on your ability. Making money is not an easy stuff. You need to be a smart guy, and you need to like be fast enough. You need to match the requirements before you can make money online. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want me to show you how to register on OneXBet, just ask me in the comment section. And anything that you want to me to do for you that is about money, you can just ask me in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to like it and then comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's free. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.